Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 28th session of this journey, and here today we are uh, going to talk something about renaming the sheet. So in the earlier lecture we were talking about copying and pasting, cutting and pasting data, and in passing I showed you how to insert a new worksheet, right? Down at the bottom of the screen in the newer version or the newer releases of Excel, you got that little plus sign that you can get to, right? And in the earlier releases like 2007 and earlier, it's not the plus sign, but it looks like a little star sun kind of icon, kind of orangey yellow looking, and you click on that, you insert a new sheet. You can also right click on the sheet and you get lots of option in the right click menu, right? And one of them is to be able to insert the first one. So you can just right click in the little tab down at the bottom of the worksheet tab and you can insert from there as well. Now there were a number of other options in there as well. The one of them what I want to talk about here is renaming a worksheet, right? By default you add a new worksheet and Excel automatically creates the new worksheet and you get something called sheet 1 or sheet 2 or sheet 3 and 4 or 5 and so on, right? You can have lots of worksheets in here. We talked about that way earlier, that used to be like 255 worksheets per workbook, but in the more recent edition of Excel, Microsoft bumped that up, so you don't really want the lot of worksheets in the Excel file, right? You don't want thousands of worksheet and workbooks. That will really slow down. It will take forever to open, but it's all based on the actually the memory of your computer and the performance of your computer, that it can really handle more and more worksheets now, right? But renaming sheets is really simple to do. You want to keep them organized, correct? Give them names that are relevant to the content that's found within that worksheet, that makes it easier to find. So really simple. If I want to rename a worksheet, I just double click the worksheet tab here. So sheet 1, I want to call that monthly budget. So I'll just double click and give it a name, monthly budget, and tab out. And I have now renamed that sheet to the monthly budget from sheet 1. Now sheet 2, this is the one that we are cutting and pasting to, and I'll call this copy exercise. So I just double click and start typing copy exercise, and hit my enter key, and you have now renamed the sheet. Again, I like shortcuts, so double click in the tabs are quick and easy to do. You can also right click and insert the tab, or you can also right click and rename the tab, right? But renaming your worksheet, it's something small, it's quick and easy to do, something that we commonly overlook and really give some thought to it. This would be similar to creating folders on your computer, right? You got the name those folders, something that's intuitive, something that gives descriptive information to our users without being too wordy in there, like I'm doing right now. Just rename your sheets, right? Let's jump into the next lecture then. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as always say, if you are really liking it and enjoying the journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright then, we will meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.